Hi everyone! Today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang very important topic, illegal drugs. Alam ko minsan, iniisip natin na pang matanda lang to or pang pulis. Pero the truth is, young people like us are at risk. Kaya mahalaga na maintindihan natin ito. Knowledge as protection. What is illegal drugs? Illegal drugs are substance na bawal sa batas dahil nakakasama sa health, behavior, at future ng isang tao. In short, these drugs can change how your brain works, kaya naaapektuhan ang pag-iisip, emotion, at movement ng katawan. Yes, pwedeng magbigay ito ng temporary high, pero after that, your body will crave more. Dito nagsisimula ang addiction at mahirap na makaalis. Example of illegal drugs in the Philippines. Dito sa Pilipinas, common ang shabu or methamphetamine. Strong stimulant na sobrang nakakasira sa brain and nervous system. Marijuana. May natural image pero nakakaapekto sa memory and focus. Ecstasy. Party drugs, may risk sa puso at mental health. Kasama na rin doon ang cocaine. Inhalants. Example ng inhalants ay ang rugby at solvent. Madalas inaabuso ng kabataan, super dangerous sa brain and lungs. No matter the drugs, same ending, addiction, health problems, loss of opportunities. Effects of illegal drugs. Kapag nalulong sa droga, pwede magresulta sa addiction. Your mind and your body will always look for the drugs. Mental problems. Anxiety, paranoia, hallucinations. Organ damage, lalo na sa heart, liver, at brain. Broken family and friendships. School and job issues. Legal problems. Yes, pwedeng makulong. Nakaka-destroy talaga ng life and future. Government agencies fighting drugs. PDEA, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. Ang trabaho nito is the main law enforcement agency laban sa illegal na droga. Sila ang humuhuli ng drug traffickers at pushers. DDB, Dangerous Drugs Board, gumagawa ng policies and programs about drug prevention. Nagsusulong ng edukasyon, awareness, and rehabilitation programs. Kasama rin nila ang LGUs, schools, at communities, just like this program. So always remember, illegal drugs don't just harm your health, they destroy your dreams, families, and your entire future. Every choice you make today shapes your tomorrow. Saying no to drugs, saying yes to your future. Let's stay strong, choose wisely, and build a drug-free community together. Be smart, be safe, say no to drugs. Every day, we make a choice, and those choices shape our future. Bilang kabataan, lahat tayo'y may pangarap. Makatapos ng pag-aaral, makatulong sa pamilya, at magtagumpay sa buhay. Pero minsan, may mga tukso. Temptation that tries to pull us away from our dreams. Isa na doon ang droga. Maybe you hear, try mo isang beses lang to, or wala namang mangyayari, chill lang yan. Pero tandaan, minsan isang maling desisyon sapat na para masira ang buhay. Drugs doesn't make you cool. Hindi ka popogi o gagaling dahil doon. Instead, drugs destroy your health, relationship, and your future. Tunay na tapang ang magsasabi ng hindi kahit may pressure. Courage is choosing what is right kahit mahirap. Surround yourself with good friends. Yung tutulungan ka, hindi dadalhin ka sa kapahamakan. Your dreams are precious to waste. Your future is in your hands. Ang buhay mo, mahalaga. Stay drug-free, be wise, be brave, choose life. Say no to drugs, say yes to your future. Iwasan ang droga, piliin ang pangarap. RA 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002 ay batas sa Pilipinas na tumutulong labanan ng iligal na droga. May tatlong main goal ang batas na ito. Number 1, pigilan ang paggamit at pagkalat ng iligal na droga. Number 2, parusahan ang gumagamit at nagbebenta at gumagawa ng droga. Number 3, tulungan ang drug users sa rehabilitation para makabalik sa maayos na buhay. Pinoprotektahan din ito ang kabataan at mga paaralan dahil alam natin na ang drugs can be destroy health, family, education, and future. Sa ilalim ng RA 9165, ang drug user ay pwedeng i-rehab sa first offense, pero may jail time kapag naulit. Ang nagbebenta, nag-i-import, o gumagawa ng illegal na droga ay pwedeng makulong for life imprisonment. Kahit tumulong sa drug criminals, may mabigat na kaparusahan pa rin. Mas mabigat ang penalty kapag malapit sa school dahil kailangan protektahan ang mga estudyante. Sa madaling salita, the law remind us that drugs destroy lives, they destroy health, dreams, family, and future. Kaya bilang kabataan, let's stay focused sa pangarap natin. Let's choose the right path, choose good friends, and always remember, our future is valuable, and drugs are never the answer. Say no to drugs, say yes to your dreams. Be smart, be strong, say no to drugs. As a future law enforcers, our role begins with education and prevention. Helping the youth avoid drugs is a one step towards a safer and healthier community. Through this campaign, we hope to strengthen anti-drug awareness among junior high school students and encourage responsible decision-making. Drug abuse affects individuals, family, and the entire society. By spreading awareness, we help to protect the future of the youth. We are BS Criminology of St. Dominic Xavier College. This is our video-based drug awareness campaign. Stay informed, stay aware, and say no to drugs.